So guys, hello. We are here already the Tamimi markets with these two girls. We are here already Tamimi market. Meow meow meow. This Tamimi market. Oh. Oh, yala. Go inside. Magbili nga ako ng ano dito, yung bago ano, no? 11 daw.
Punta siya diri okay man.
O pakiano.
Now we're going to
Ayun oh. Wait lang. Kuya, how much? 15? Pinoy? Ah. This your look is like Philippine. Same like 15 sa. Pareho ayun na Tagalog ha. $15. Bibili ako ng balloon. I will come back later, huh? It's okay, I will. Hey, where are you guys? Saan na ba yung mga... Hey! What are you doing there? Eh, mga friend kong beautiful.
Hi guys, we're going to buy.
Buy what?
Pupunta ka na sa sagasaan pa yung ano.
Magkano yun? 16? Mahal naman. Mahal lagi yung nila ito, quaker oats. Oh, cake. Miri, oh, nala red cake. Gusto ko yan. Uy, mahal naman. 89. Huwag na lang nga ako mag-birthday. Wow.
Guys, we will buy this one.
What is that? Banana.
Banana float? Yeah. It's low pala, sorry. It's just 10 star.
Tinsar?
Yeah. 10 star.
Okay. Ano binili mo, Marion?
Banana low.
Ito?
Chocolate yan, diba? Ay, banana pala yan.
Ano sa'yo? Gulay?
Chocolate.
I will try to...
Hindi ko pa na-try to.
I will try to eat this one. Because I tried already eating this. Sampo lang to?
Hindi sipon. What? Yeah, it's just 10 star.